morning. Thanks for joining us this morning. We're finally getting our glass fixed. Woo! I'm Tracy.
I'm Charlie.
And there's Prince. Can you say Prince? There he is. Good morning. It's too early for all of us. It is 8 a.m. May something, 20th, 21st, something like that. Too early for me to be up. But here we are getting our glass fixed in Lakeland, Florida. They do the pilot and co-pilot glasses so we can see out. And we are at RV Glass Solutions. Come take a look.
So we have milky RV glass, which means I can't see out the passenger and sometimes the driver's side window so well when the sun is shining. I call it milk because when the sun hits it, it just turns everything white. It makes it impossible to be able to see. It's all the grossness on the window. And it's not bad now because we're out of the sun, but when the sun is shining, it'll distort my view. I won't be able to see anything. It's like looking into fog. It's hard to see the mirror. So whatever's in the mirror can disappear. Kind of creepy. So I do have to use the camera, but I'm so used to using my mirrors that I move my head all around looking for things. But it can definitely add a fraction of a second or a second or two of uncertainty. So we're going to get these changed out, and hopefully then when I say, look Trey, there's something pretty, she can see it. So here we are at a glass company, and they're going to let us stay overnight. Tomorrow they're going to take templates, order glass, and see if we can then get it replaced. It's hard to tell from the outside how milky it is when the sun's not shining, but basically they're dual pane windows and the seals broke. And so when it gets moisture in there, it gets all caked up and nasty. It turns white. It can turn all different colors, I suppose, but ours happen to be white. And when the sun hits it just right, especially like when you need it most, you're merging in traffic or you're having some issue, that is exactly when the sun hits it and you can't see a darn thing. So I'm getting used to flicking my blinker on real quick and using the mirror, but that gets old too. So they're going to go ahead and see what they can do about getting these templates made, and then we'll go ahead and get this glass replaced. And it's going to take a couple of weeks to order it, and we are replacing with dual pane, not single pane. If you do the single pane glass, basically you can get a lot of sweating and condensation, and we really don't want the sweating or the condensation if we can avoid it. So I want to go ahead and put back in the dual pane glass or double pane glass to give us basically less sweating on the inside, less condensation, less water dripping down the wall and down the glass. So they'll go ahead and order that, and in a few weeks we have to drive back. Today it took us a couple of hours because the traffic was backed up from the beginning of Orlando all the way through Disney. So we sat for probably an extra two and a half hours in traffic. So hopefully next time we're going to plan it where we go opposite rush hour. So next couple of weeks they should get this glass in place and we should be in good shape. We'll update then.
Here she goes, Tara, to get her glass fixed. Go Tara, go Tara, you got this. You're gonna be beautiful. Bye. And she's gone. Oh, here we go. We have about a 3-hour wait. We brought our laptops, Wordle, all sorts of fun things. Come along. These warehouses are wall-to-wall glass. Everything from boats, coaches, any glass service you may need. RV Glass Solutions can be your answer. They can be your solution. Ha! Definitely check them out. So awesome. They did a really nice job. We may even consider doing our other windows. They said they can do a nice gray tint. So maybe we'll do that. Can't wait to see out them and enjoy our journey. Holy cow, you guys, check this out. What a difference! We're gonna be able to see. I'm gonna be able to see beautiful things. Oh my God, it looks fantastic. Hooray! We got windows that we can see through. Are you so excited?
I'm so excited.
Look at them. We can see out the windows. I can sit here and I can see now. Look at that. No more milky substance. Hooray! Oh, the journeys we will have. The places we will go. What do you think of this experience?
They're fantastic. I think I'm excited about being able to see the mirrors. Wonder how much less stressful it will be.
We can't use the windows for 24 hours, so do not open them. Do not open your window, honey.
Got it.
Do you have anything to say to the people?
It's a huge difference. It's huge. It's insane. You don't realize what you don't see until you can see it. But it's huge. We'll see when I'm driving, but maybe because they're clean too. Wow, this is so weird. I've been driving with like blinders on just to be able to see the mirrors. What most people would consider normal.
I highly recommend RV Glass Solutions by Coach Glass in Lakeland, Florida. Awesome people, great service. Thanks for stopping by. Well, thanks for watching our window upgrade. We hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more upgrades. And what modification is next?
Solar panel installation.
Ooh.
So we can run the solar generator longer, more. Stay tuned for that. That's going to be the bomb. Solar.
Hot diggity dog. Make sure to hit that like button.